Reflect on growth. Take a moment to reflect on the personal growth you've experienced during the relationship. Recognize that every relationship teaches valuable lessons, and this breakup is an opportunity for further personal development. Embrace change. Understand that change is a constant in life. Instead of resisting it, embrace the opportunity for new experiences and self-discovery. Consider the breakup as a turning point towards a better version of yourself. Set goals. Channel your energy into setting personal goals. Focus on areas of your life that you may have neglected during the relationship. Whether it's fitness, career, or hobbies, setting and achieving goals can provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Cultivate supportive relationships. Surround yourself with friends and family who offer support. Share your feelings with them, and let their presence remind you that you are not alone. Building a strong support system is crucial for healing. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Prioritize self-care to boost your mood and maintain a positive outlook. Learn from the experience. Analyze the relationship objectively. Identify patterns, both positive and negative, and use this knowledge to make better choices in future relationships. Every experience, even challenging ones, contributes to your personal growth. Forgive and let go. Holding on to resentment can hinder your progress. Forgive your ex-partner and yourself. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means releasing the emotional hold the breakup has on you, allowing you to move forward with a lighter heart. Focus on the present. Concentrate on the present moment and what you can control. Dwelling on the past or worrying about the future can be overwhelming. Take small steps each day to create a positive and fulfilling present. Explore new interests. Use this time to explore activities you've always wanted to try. Whether it's a new hobby, class, or travel destination, expanding your horizons can be both exciting and therapeutic. Celebrate your independence. Rediscover the joy of being independent. Embrace the freedom to make decisions solely for yourself. Celebrate your autonomy and the opportunity to shape your life according to your desires. Remember, healing takes time, and it's okay to feel a range of emotions. Be patient with yourself and trust that with each passing day, you are moving towards a brighter and more fulfilling future.